In the previous video, we removed the display. Now, we'll replace the display and seal the phone. We begin by cleaning the adhesive from the enclosure. Cleaning is required to create an effective seal with new adhesive. You can use tweezers, a black stick, and the adhesive removal tool to pick, pull, and remove the adhesive. Once the adhesive is removed, use an ethanol or isopropyl alcohol wipe to clean any residue. Wrap the wipe around the flat end of the black stick for improved control on the edge of the enclosure. Any remaining adhesive will prevent new adhesive from sealing properly. This might negatively impact water resistance when you reassemble the phone. Then, inspect the edge of the enclosure to ensure it's clean. Check the grounding springs for signs of damage, and check the receiver grill. If anything looks damaged, refer to the repair manual for next steps. Next, we'll apply new display adhesive. If you're new to this, lay it on the enclosure to see how it looks when properly placed. Display adhesive has multiple layers of liners: the bottom, top, and middle liners. We start by removing the bottom liner. Holding the tab on the bottom, align the adhesive with the bottom of the phone and then slowly peel the bottom liner as you position the adhesive. Check that it's on the edge of the enclosure. If not, remove the adhesive and reapply it with a new adhesive. Use a black stick to press the adhesive into place, making 3 passes around the enclosure. Then, carefully remove the top liner, leaving the middle liners on the adhesive. Place the suction cups on the repair tray and secure the display to the suction cups. Align it so the flex cables are over their connectors. Then, remove the protective liner from the underside of the replacement display. Gently press the ends of the flex cables to click them into place. Reinstall the cowlings. Always use the new screws from the embedded screw tray that comes with the replacement display. Screws on the tray mirror where they should be installed. New screws preserve the integrity of the repair, so we'll install the new screws. Now, we'll remove the 3 middle liners by pulling the tabs. You'll have to remove the display from the suction cups and hold it to remove the liner on that edge. Lower the display onto the enclosure. Press all 4 corners of the display simultaneously. Then, press along the edges of the display until it clicks into place and the display is flush with the enclosure. Let's complete the repair. Use the display press to activate the adhesive. Pull the handle until it locks. When the timer beeps, pull the locking pin and raise the lever. Remove the repair tray. Lift the phone and inspect the edges to check that the display is adhered to the enclosure correctly. Install new security screws. Charge the iPhone battery and turn it on. To complete this repair, run Repair Assistant. Refer to the repair manual for instructions. And that's how you replace the display on iPhone.